Hello everybody, welcome. It is day 4 of our 6th annual Treasure Trovember. If you are brand new here, I suggest you go watch the welcome video on day 1. This is an easy peasy challenge. You can catch up in no time at all. So there's a link somewhere up above to watch that welcome video. Also, go to explore.collegelab.com/Trovember and register for free. And when you do that, you will get a free download, 30 Tips for 30 Days, where I share some tips from Trovember veterans. They'll tell you the best practices for approaching this crazy little challenge. So, day 4, our prompt is add a body part. Add a body part to your collage and then come back tomorrow for day 5.